Today we are drawing a lionfish. Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Saturday, April 12th at 5:40 in the morning. Well, we start off with a circle, a lot of curves and marine life, and I picked the lionfish out of a list of animals I had generated online, and I've seen a lot of little videos about them. Dangerous, yeah. But it's a pretty fish. And I went ahead and started with the eye again first and inking it in to get it out of the way. Freehand on a lot of angles is not my thing. I did the gills pretty well here. And I was worried about how to do the spines. And I looked over in my little template pile and saw this. I was like, wait, that looks about right. And it turned out it was. So you never know what you're going to have laying around you. Sometimes for a large circle, I'll use a bowl, use my compass, just whatever's handy. I'm using my number 2B pencil with my little grip, which is helping. And then of course the 1mm pigment liner for the main outline, and then a micron 8 or 10 for some of the details. The bubbles are in. I do let the ink dry a little bit as I'm drawing. I'll pause OBS, which is the software I'm using to record, and let the ink settle, and I'll put a piece of paper over the main drawing when I forget to do some of the inner textures and lines, so that I don't smear the ink in case it is a little wet still. But the fins came out good. The spines came out good. I do believe it looks like a lionfish. Let me know in the comments what you think. Take a look at some of my other pictures I've done and let me know if they're turning out to be what I want them to be. I'm going to do a couple little lesser known fish, a little bit, just because I thought they were a little cool looking. So it's got the coral, got the seaweed, got the bubbles, got the ocean waves and the sun and the clouds and a bird. This one was pretty fun. I do like the lines in the body and the spines. Those were all good to do. And we are about to the end of it. I'm getting all my details in and the clouds. And here's my final drawing. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.